If affiliate marketing feels like non-stop chaos, you're not imagining it at all. Now, imagine replacing that grind with one calm system that runs for you. With one click, the messy pieces line up into a plan you can trust. It hunts down high-demand products so you stop guessing what will sell next. Then it absorbs the sales page details fast enough to keep you ahead daily. Next, it drafts balanced reviews that sound human, clear, and genuinely helpful. After that, it assembles videos and thumbnails so your channel stays consistent. It also handles SEO decisions, boosting discoverability without you micromanaging. When it's ready, it publishes across platforms so your work keeps running non-stop. Creators report real momentum, more output, less stress, and steadier income. So start now and build an evergreen library that works even when you rest.